Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's lesson is about place value, and we will study our place value from ones to tens. Listen carefully. Single, individual are referred as ones. 10 single objects grouped together is called tens. I have a bundle of 10 pencils. Adding one more pencil, it makes 11 pencils. So we have 1 10 and 1 ones. So it is equal to 11. So 1 10, 1 1, 11. 1 tens, 2 ones, 12. 1 tens, 3 ones, 13. 1 tens, 4 ones, 14. 1 tens, 5 ones, 15. 1 tens, 6 ones, 16s. 1 tens, 7 ones, 17. 1 tens, 8 ones, 18. 1 tens, 9 ones, 19. 2 tens, 0 ones, 20. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.